Choosing the right car for your needs is an important decision, as it can impact your daily life and finances. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make an informed decision. Determine your budget. Start by establishing a realistic budget. Consider not only the purchase price but also ongoing costs like insurance, fuel, maintenance, and registration. Your budget will help narrow down your options. Identify your needs. Think about your specific needs and priorities. Are you looking for a family car, a daily commuter, an off-road vehicle, or a sporty car? Consider factors such as the number of passengers, cargo space, and the driving environment. Fuel efficiency. Determine your desired fuel efficiency. A more fuel-efficient car can save you money over time, especially if you drive long distances regularly. New car versus old cars. Decide whether you want a new or used car. New cars generally come with warranties and the latest features, while used cars are more budget-friendly. Be sure to research the specific make and model's reliability and history if going the used route. Safety features. Safety should be a top priority. Look for cars with advanced safety features like airbags, anti-lock brakes, stability control, and modern driver assistance systems. Reliability and resale value. Research the reliability of the car brands and models you're considering. Cars with a good track record for reliability typically have lower maintenance costs. Additionally, consider the resale value, as it can impact your long-term costs. Consider the total cost of ownership. Beyond the purchase price, evaluate the total cost of ownership. This includes insurance, maintenance, depreciation, and fuel costs. Some cars may be more expensive upfront but more affordable in the long run. Test drive. Visit dealerships and take your shortlisted cars for a test drive. Pay attention to comfort, visibility, and how the car handles on the road. Ensure it meets your personal preferences. Research online reviews, read reviews and watch videos from automotive experts and owners. These can provide valuable insights into a car's performance, comfort, and overall satisfaction. Consider environmental impact. If environmental concerns are a priority, research hybrid, electric, or fuel-efficient models. Look into the car's emissions and fuel efficiency ratings. Financing options. Explore financing options, including loans, leases, or cash purchases. Compare interest rates and terms to find the best deal for your financial situation. Insurance costs. Obtain insurance quotes for the vehicles you're considering. Insurance premiums can vary significantly based on the make and model. Consult with others. Talk to friends, family, and colleagues who own similar cars or have expertise in the automotive industry. They may offer valuable insights. Negotiate and purchase. Once you've settled on a car that meets your needs, negotiate the price with the seller. Be prepared to walk away if the deal doesn't meet your budget or expectations. Carefully review the contract and warranty terms. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions of your purchase. After purchasing the car, keep a close eye on ongoing costs like maintenance, fuel consumption, and insurance. Stay on top of regular maintenance to prolong the life of your vehicle. Remember that the right car for your needs is a highly personal decision. It should align with your lifestyle, budget, and preferences. Don't rush the process, and take your time to make an informed choice.